Now starts with chapter 14, that is shapes and patterns. Now look at these pictures. In this picture what we are having? We are having different shapes, like this is a triangle. This is a triangle. This is a triangle. This is one more triangle. This is a triangle. This is a triangle. Like this we have triangles. Now look here, circles are there. This is a circle. This is a circle. This is a big circle. One more circle. Circle. These are circles. Now this is a square. This is a square. This is a square. This is a square. Now this is a rectangle. This is a rectangle. This is a rectangle. Like this we have to identify how many circles will be there, how many squares, triangles and rectangles will be there. So overall in this we have 10 circles, 5 squares, 8 triangles and 9 rectangles. And we have to color the shapes as yellow will be colored in the rectangular shape, red in triangles, brown in circle and green in square. Now come to this lab activity. What we have to do in this activity? We have to take the cutout of the 4 shapes: triangle, square, rectangle and circle. Then this is the game which we have to play. In this game, one child will be inside a circle and inside that circle we will draw 4 shapes and all other children will be outside. Then the one who is inside the circle will clap and then all others will roam around the circle. Then the person will stop the clapping. The student should stand and identify the shape in front of him on the ground. And he also has to drop the matching card next to the shape. Like this, we have to do this activity. Now, plain shapes. Triangle. This is a triangle. How many sides are there? 1, 2, 3. A triangle has 3 sides. How many corners are there? 1, 2 and 3. It has 3 corners. So, a triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. Now, come to this square. How many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. A square has 4 sides and the length of these 4 sides are equal. Now look at the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. A square has 4 corners. Now look at this. This is a rectangle. How many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. A rectangle has 4 sides. How many corners are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners are there. Have you observed that the length of this side and this side are equal? And length of this side and this sides are equal. So the triangles has 4 sides and 4 corners and the opposite sides are equal in length. Look here. What is this? It's a circle. A circle is round in shape. Does a circle has any side? No. A circle has no sides and no corners. Now come to this. An oval. This is an oval. An oval also has no sides and no corners. Now come to this activity. What we have to do in this activity? We have to draw one line and then we have to write the name of two shapes which will be formed like this. If we draw this line, one triangle will be formed and one square will be formed. Now come to this exercise. What we have to do in this exercise? We have to name the shapes of the following things. This is a envelope and the shape of envelope is rectangular. Opposite sides are equal, so it is rectangular. This is a circle. It is round in shape. This is a square. It has four sides and all the sides are equal. Now what is this? This is a circle. It is round in shape. What is this? It's a square. All the four sides are equal. Now what is this? It is a rectangle. Opposite sides are equal. Now come to another exercise. What we have to do in this? We have to match the following objects with their corresponding shapes. This wheel, it is circular in shape. So it will be matched with this. This clock, it is square in shape. So it will be matched with this. This note, it is rectangular in shape. So it will be matched with this. This triangular board will be triangular in shape. So it will be matched with this. Now, think and do. Fill in the blanks. Each of my faces is a cube. I am a cube. Each of my faces is a rectangle. I am a cuboid. Children love to eat ice cream in me. I am a cone. I am like a ball. I am a sphere. A dice is a cube. These all are solid shapes. We have many things around us and these all are made up of solid shapes. Look at this. This is an ice cube. This is a dice. They are in shape cube. Box and duster. These are cuboid. Can and a glass are slender. Ice cream cone and cap are cone. Football and globe, these are sphere. Now we have to match the shapes with the objects. This is cuboid, so this one is cuboid. This is a cone, this one is cone. This is a sphere, this globe is sphere. This is a slender, this bucket is slender. This is a cube. This dice is cube. So, we have cube, cuboid, slender, cone and sphere. Sphere is round. Cone is triangular in shape. It is like a cone. Slender is like this. Cuboid is like this. And cube is like this. Now come to this. What we have to do in this? We have to draw the three things that are same as given in this example. Cube. So we can draw like a dice. We can draw like this in this cone. What we can draw? We can draw a birthday cap. Slender. What can we draw? We can draw a glass. Sphere. What can you draw? We can draw a football. Cuboid, what can we draw? We can draw a book. Like this, we have to draw the three things of given shape from our surroundings. Now rolling and sliding. The child is sliding on the slide. Does his whole body touch the slide? No. This man is pushing the roller. The roller is rolling on the ground. Does the whole surface of the roller touch the ground? No, it is also not touching the ground. Only some part of the ground of the roller is touching the ground. Now what we have to do in this exercise, we have to take the objects which can roll and cross the ones which can slide. A top, it can roll. This one, it can slide. This one, it can roll. It can slide. It can slide. It can roll. It can slide. It can slide. Now patterns. So what is pattern? If something is repeating after particular duration of time, then we call it is following some pattern. Like this, circle is there, then a triangle is there, then again a circle is there, then again triangle. A circle is there, then it should be a triangle, then circle, then triangle. Smiley face is there, sad face is there, smiley face is there, sad face is there, smiley face is there, then sad face will be there, then smiley and then sad. Now, what we have to do? Again, we have to do the same in this. Now come to this exercise. Circle the object that comes next. A big fish, a small fish, a big fish, a small fish, a big fish, a small fish. Then a big fish will come. Duck, then tortoise, then octopus. Duck, then tortoise, then octopus should come. An apple, then a sunflower, an apple, then a sunflower, an apple, then sunflower should come. Now come to number patterns. We have seen patterns with numbers as well, like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. In this series, there is a difference of two numbers. 4 minus 2 is equals to 2. 6 minus 4 is equals to 2. Now come to this series, 7, 10, 13. In this, there is a difference of three numbers. 10 minus 7 is 3. 13 minus 10 is 3. Now come to this 5, 9, 13. It has the gap of 4 numbers. 9 minus 5 is 4. 13 minus 9 is also 4. Now come to this series 20, 18, 16. It is in descending order and it has the gap of 2. 20, then 18, then 16, then 14, then 12, then 10. Now come to this. Think and do. What we have to do in this? We have to color the rectangle red, the square blue, the triangle green, the circle pink, and the ovals as yellow. So we have to form this butterfly. Now come to multiple choice questions. What we have to do in this exercise? We have to take the correct choice. A bangle is an example of a circle. A Coke tin resembles the shape of a cylinder. Face of a dice is a square. Now come to lab activity. What we have to do in this activity? We need some bottle cups, broken pieces of plastic toys, small containers of different shapes, rubber or orange squash. What we have to do, we have to fill the empty caps, pieces of toys in small container with either orange squash or ruabsa. Then we have to keep them in the fridge, in the freezer. Then we have to take out after some times, and we have ice pieces of different shapes. So what we have to do, we have to observe the different shapes of these ice cubes.